for the esteemed colleagues who talked about bank financing. With respect to land, let me tell you, land is one of the few assets where bank will be ready to fund up to 50% more than your current requirements. Let me explain this again. Land, let me repeat it first. Land is one of those few assets where a bank will be willing to fund up to 50% more than your current requirements. Let me explain this in a very simplified language. If, let's say, Mr. Mayank goes across and tells the bank, currently I need 5 machines, ma'am. I need 5 machines, sir. Can you provide financing for 7 machines? The bank will look at Mr. Mayank and say, hey, Mayank, currently you need 5 machines, though. Let's talk about 5 machines. When you need 7 machines, maybe 3 years down the line, we will talk about enhancing your limits. And maybe you will there, by that time you may not need a road at all. If Mr. Mayank goes across and says, Mr. Banker, currently I need 10 acres of land, but I am already providing for future expansion. So in my cost of project, I am estimating land requirements to be 15 acres. Bankers may actually say, okay, Mr. Bharat, we will provide you the finance as if it is your current requirement. Land is one of the few assets where I have seen bankers, for those of you all who wanted that consulting input, here it is, very, very simple. Why? I don't need to ask why, with you esteemed colleagues sitting around, right? Why? Very simple, ma'am. Why bankers think like this is because land is a scarce thing, right? Very scarce thing, and that's why I'm not even opening it for public discussion. Land is a scarce asset. Tomorrow, Mr. Mayank, after 6 years, decides to expand, and he sees that there is no land available. He'll again have to talk about relocating, go somewhere else. It is precisely to avoid that the banker is saying, okay, more than 50%. Private banks 50%, nationalized bank 30%, right? But yes, both of them are okay with funding more than your current requirements. Second, please also note, there's a second angle to it. No banker is doing us a favor, right? No banker. Worked in SBI Cap, so let me again tell you, no banker is doing us a favor. Why does an SBI do this? Very simply because that entire land is given as collateral. Thank you for nodding, sir. Collateral basically means it's a security. And typical assumption is, I'm going to see some smiles now. Typical assumption in corporate finance is land value always appreciates, okay? Thank you for smiling. This is an assumption which has gone totally wrong thanks to subprime crisis in US, okay? It absolutely can go haywire, but we still believe that in corporate finance, okay? Don't worry, the land value today is about 3 crores. 5 years down the line, it will be worth at least 6 crores, 7 crores. So I am holding this as collateral. So let me fund excess requirements. Yes, now we go to building. So one practical input on land, more than your current requirements will be financed. Question that remains, which I will